Welcome back. You're still tuned into Movers and Shakers on CNBC TV 18. Before we go ahead to our next set of buzzers, just a word on the markets. Europe has not opened up too well. In fact, slightly choppy for most of the European indices. It should show up for you on your screen in a bit. Down about 0.5% on an average for the FTSE, the CAC and the DAX too will just come up for you. That's a cut of about 0.2%. Not too grave for our markets, just about a 0.2% cut. In fact, inching closer actually to that 51.90 mark. Let's talk about a couple of buzzing stocks then. ABM Knowledgeware is a stock on our radar right now. It's showing you a 20% up move in trade. It's bagged an order of e-governance. That's the business ABM Knowledgeware is into. It's bagged an order with the government of Maharashtra, and the contract is worth about 60 crore rupees. We have the management with us. Prakash B. Rane, the MD of ABM Knowledgeware, joins us now. Prakash, thanks for joining in. Tell us, as a percentage of your total order book, this order is quite vast. I mean, you're sitting on an order book of 100 crores and this order is for about 60 crores. What is the timeline over which this order is spread, and how would this start to trickle in into your revenues?
You're not fully audible to the best as I have understood your question. This order is expected to be executed in next 3 financial years. Even though we have targeted to complete this in next 2 financial years, that is the financial year ending March 2012.
Okay, Prakash, afternoon. Is this the first of an e-governance project that you all have bagged? And if it is, it opens up a huge tap of opportunities because there are a lot more states. So anything else that is in progress, anything in the pipeline that you can, possibly convert in FY11?
If I heard you correctly, this is not the first large e-government project that we have backed. Our last large e-governance project was in October 2008. That was valued approximately 120 crore rupees, which is in the advanced stage of completion. As far as our prospects are concerned, this product which we are going to implement across Maharashtra is also shortlisted by Government of India. This product is predominantly for computerization of municipal bodies, and Government of India, Ministry of Urban Development, has also shortlisted this product for recommending to all the other municipal bodies in India under a scheme called as JNNRUM, Jawaharlal Nehru Urban Renewal Mission. And we are looking forward to rolling out of that scheme in a larger scale, where we expect substantial opportunities for rolling out the same product.
So what will this do to your revenues in FY11? Anything that you'll have set out as a target?
Yeah, can you come again, please?
We were trying to ask you about some numbers because, what would this actually do in terms of a top line, and what kind of margins do you really enjoy for this kind of a business? I mean, you've been sitting at about 22 to 30%, but in the December ended quarter, you did about 33 to 34%. You think that's a sustainable margin? And for this order particularly, what kind of margins are you expecting?
Yeah, if I heard you correctly, let me say at the outset that the e-government projects by nature are very challenging. The anticipated profit margins at the beginning of the project may or may not sustain at the end of the project. Having said that, with our experience of e-government project, we do anticipate to at least maintain the EBITDA which we had last year. We expect a couple of percentage point increase on the EBITDA, with proportionate increase in the PAT also.
So very quickly then, if you can give us an increase, what kind of an increase are you expecting in the top line? You think a 40% increase in FY11 is something you can achieve?
See, the top line increase we expect, as I said, we target at least 40 to 50% of the order execution in this financial year. Keeping that in mind, we expect a top line increase of at least 40 to 50% in this financial year.
Okay, thanks Prakash for joining us, and we wish you good luck. That's ABM Knowledge. We'll slip into a very short break for now and come back with more buzzing stocks. Stay tuned.